Alright. He wasn't hacking on me, probably. He's probably just overreacting. Okay. Okay. I guess let's play another one? Okay. Actually, don't know what I want to do. I'm just playing some bridge to have fun. Oh, yeah, I like bridge. Bridge is fun. It's a fun game mode. Did he not? Oh, he fell. Yeah, let's go. Yes! Yeah. Hit him off, please. No. Yes. Frick. I gotta avoid. No! I messed up. He got this goal. Ah, I messed up so bad. Oh, that was almost clean, man. Frick. Oh, no. Ah, he got me. No, I messed up. I'm using the wrong thing. Come on, race it. Nope. He didn't race it. No. Jukes. Ooh. Okay, Jukes. No.
Boo, Eddie Boo. What you doing? Don't you know about going down on YouTube? Want to hear that song? Want to hear it? Want to hear it, Ren? You ready? Guys, you gotta get off, ready? Guys, you gonna get off? You need to. Ready, here we go!
Yes. Got him. No, I messed up. Why did I start? I shouldn't have started towering.
There you go, man. Let's just get this straightforward. Okay, now. If I get the quick.
What?
Hey, bro, what?
Oh.
Nice. Time to get you off.
Okay, hold on.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Yes. Juke, juke, juke down. No. Okay, that wasn't
Now
a
you almost
good
watch your
juke.
game.
It's not a good juke. I didn't eat that. I didn't eat that. Oh, let's go. Jukes! Yeah! Jukes! Jukes! No! Oh, that dude. I don't know what to say. 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 Oh, oh, let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was so cool. That was so cool. Oh my god. Oh, this is sweaty. Oh god, I hate this. Oh no, I was using the wrong weapon! No! Frick. He fell. Frick! No! Got him! Oh, yes. Okay, fell. Got him! Yes! Let's go. Jukes. I got this. No, I don't got this. Oh, GG. GG. Woo, let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy these hand cam videos with clicking sounds and stuff like that, then please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below if you like it or not. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.